Hi, I'm Mrs. De Hoyos, and I noticed that you were having trouble with one of the levels on ST Math for decomposing tens and hundreds. So I thought I'd make a little video to kind of help you out with it. Okay, so what I did is I logged in under your account so we can go exactly where you were at, and then I put it on teacher mode so I can help you with it. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on where we're going. Here's our level, and here you go. Okay, so on here, we have this is what you're working on. So what I'm looking at here, when I move the cursor around, I see that this kind of changes a little bit when I click on it, and it's telling me to click on that. So why would it ask me to click on that? And look at the little picture. It shows that that little flower is they're gonna decompose it into petals. The flower stands for the tens, the petal stands for the ones. So let's see. Okay, I see why. Because you see here, 2, I don't have enough to take away. How many is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I can't take away 9 from 2 because 2 is too small. So then I have to recoup. I have to decompose that. So I take that petal, you see that, the flower, and it broke it into ones. So now I have enough ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 because I had 2 and then I broke this 10 into 1. So I have 10 more. So now I have 12 minus 9. So 12 minus 9 would be, what is 12 minus 9? Hopefully you said 3. You can either count down or count up. I usually go count up. So I'm 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 3 more. Or you can count down from 12, take away 9. Okay, so it's 3. So it shows that. And now here I have 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 equals 2. So I'm just going to click on 2. And there you go. So it's just like when you subtract, you start with your ones and you move on to your tens. So look here, you always check the top. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So can you take away 4 from 5? Hopefully you said yes, because if I have 5, if I take away 4, I have 1 left. So I don't have to regroup. I'm not even going to touch this because I don't have to. I can just say, okay, I'm going to have 1 left. And since I didn't have to decompose or regroup, I can just go ahead and say there's 3 flowers. I'm not taking any away, so I have 3 still. So that's 31. So that's how you do it. The only time you click on the one up here is if you need to borrow, you need to regroup, if you don't have enough. Okay, so let's see. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Do I have enough to take away 8? No, because I only have 7. So now I have to regroup. So I'll click here. We're breaking that up into 10. So now I have 17 because I had 7 and I added 10 more. So I have 17 and I'm going to take away 8. How many do I have left? So what's 17 minus 8? Remember, you can count up, you can count down, depending on what's better for you. 17 minus 8 is 9, hopefully. I could even count up here, say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See if it works. There we go. And now since we had taken 1 away from here, now we have 3 flowers left. Remember, this is like 10, so 3 tens left. We're not taking any away, so we have 3. Okay, so that is how you do this part. Okay, let me check to see if anything gets more difficult, but I think they are all pretty much the same. Let's look at this one. If I don't have any petals and I have to take away 1, do I have to regroup? Yes, right, because I don't have enough. So I click on here, it breaks that up. So now I have 10. So 10 minus 1 equals, hopefully you said 9. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 10. So that's 40 minus 0. So that's going to be 4 again. So that's 49. Okay, so I hope this helps. Look at the video and then log into ST Math and try it yourself. See if you can get through that level. All right, have fun. Bye.